Phil? Phil? Hey, Phil!
Wow. Oh, hello. Sorry, I was waiting for you all and I fell asleep. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Byrd the Science Nerd. Today we're going to be talking about something very important. So important, in fact, life on Earth would be impossible without it.
What is it, Phil? Is it air?
No.
Pizza?
No.
Is it television?
I wish, but no. It is carbon.
Carbon? What's carbon?
Glad you asked. Carbon is element number 6 on the periodic table. It carries an atomic number of 6 and an atomic mass of 12.0107. Carbon can be found in the second period in the 14th family. Carbon having an atomic number of 6 means it has 6 protons and 6 electrons. Having an atomic mass of around 12, subtracting your atomic number, you'll also notice that it has 6 neutrons. Carbon has been known to have been around as charcoal since prehistoric times, but wasn't officially recognized as an element until John Dalton did so in 1803, which actually predates the periodic table's creation. Carbon has a melting point of 6,422 degrees Fahrenheit and a boiling point of 6,917 degrees Fahrenheit. Is it just me or is it hot in here? Can I get a drink? Thank you. Here you go. Thank you very much. And where was I? Oh yes. Carbon is solid at room temperature and can be found anywhere on the Earth, from the dirt in the ground to the clouds in the sky. Now, carbon has a wide variety of uses, most commonly fossil fuels, which are natural gases and oil. It can also be used in plastics, soda fizz, printer ink, and it's also used in radiocarbon dating, which is how you use carbon to figure out how old an item is. Tires are also black because they are 30% carbon. Carbon makes up some of the hardest substances on Earth, which are diamonds, and the softest, graphite. Diamonds can be used as cutting instruments, while graphite is basically used as your pencil tip. Carbon can also exist anywhere in your house, ranging from your kitchen knives to your TV remotes. Carbon's basically everywhere, including, oh no. Explosives. Sorry about that, folks. Now, back to carbon. Carbon, which comes from the Latin word carbo, meaning charcoal, has a lot of chemical and physical properties. Carbon can bond to form more than 10 million other chemical compounds. Carbon doesn't dissolve in water or acid, so it's virtually impossible to get rid of it. Carbon can also react to form some of the most poisonous gases known to man. It's found in the most basic compounds like methane, as well as the more complicated C60, or Buckminster fullerene, which is actually a recently discovered compound in 1985 by Harold Crotto. This compound looks like a soccer ball, and is also commonly referred to as a buckyball. This compound is important because people believe they can use it to combat one of the enzymes in the HIV virus, which is a major virus that plagues a lot of people, and this could seriously reduce illnesses. Carbon compounds are the second most common compounds found in the world. It only is beaten by hydrogen compounds, which are number 1. And bonds of carbon atoms to carbon atoms form long chains that are known as catenation. This concludes my facts on carbon. I hope you all enjoyed the show.